Hey, welcome back, my Scrappin friends. Today, in this video, I want to talk about a year in review folios. So, yay! I told you about them in my North Pole folio tutorial that I would be showing you guys these, and so, yep, I'm showing you now. All right, this is all about the year in review folios. There are 12 of them. All right. I do have a tutorial that you can purchase, and right now, guys, if you guys want to learn how to make these, I will teach you 4 of them, and then if you want the tutorial, you can go over at my website and purchase it. I do have it at a special price right now for $12. $12, and it's regular $24.99, and you get the cutting guide, written instructions. I will put, you got all the videos on how to make all of them, okay? But I will teach you 4 of them here on YouTube, and it's Folio 1, 2, 3, and 4. I'm going to do just like I done over on my Facebook page. I'm going to teach you 4 of them. If you want the other 8, you will need to go purchase the tutorial. The other 8 are very different from these, and almost every of the 12 folios, they're all different. All right. So yeah, go over to my website. I will put the link down below, where you can pick up this tutorial right now for 55% off. Okay, so I will leave that open for a couple of weeks, and so you guys can get it at the special price, all right? But here's the 4 folios. If you guys would like for me to teach you how to make these 4, I will gladly come on here and teach you how to make these 4 folios, like I did over on Facebook, all right? So let's go through these real quick. Okay, here's folio number 1. I did do the tie-back binding on this. We colored it, and then we attached tie-back to it. So this is folio number 1. So it opens up. You have a flap. Look at that. Beautiful. Then you have a slanted pocket here. Nice and generous. Then this opens up like this. Oh, look at that. Beautiful. Beautiful. And this is one of those big 12 by 12 sheets that I taught the ladies how to do this, and I will teach you the same thing if you would like me to. Okay, and then that opens up, so just like that. That's folio number 1. Folio number 2 is this one. This one I didn't do the tie back. Okay, so this flips open. This flips open. Beautiful. Beautiful. Okay. And then this side flips open. So then you have this and this. Then you have a waterfall feature here. So this flips open. That flips. And then that flips. Look at that. Beautiful. That's folio number 2. Folio number 3. Oh, show you the back. Now these 2 here, folio 3 and 4, only have 1/4 of an inch, but they now have 1/2 an inch. These are my very first ones that I done, and I realized 1/4 of an inch was not going to do it. So I increased all the spines to 1/2 an inch for all the folios. For all folios, I increased the spine. So here you have a slanted pocket. So you got your photo mats in there. Oops. Then you have another slanted pocket. And like I said, all 12 folios are different. All 12 folios are different. Excuse me. So then this flips open, and again, you have the slanted pockets on this side. And like I said, if you want to learn how to make these 4 folios, I will teach you. And if you want to learn how to make the other 8 folios, then you will need to purchase the year in review folios. And right now for 12 bucks, guys, regular $24.99. I will leave it open for a couple of weeks for you guys. Okay. After that, it goes up to regular price of $24.99. And it does have a storage box. It does have a storage box for all 12 folios, and I will show you that too. Here's folio number 4. Oh, I didn't decorate the back of it yet. I'm getting in too big of a hurry. All right, so this flips. That flips. And then I just decorated this. Okay, just decorated that. Okay, and I added a pocket. Oh, never mind. Not on. Well, yeah, we did. We did too. During the live class, we added pockets to this. A pocket and a flap, so it's a little bit more now. Okay, so we added a flap here, and we added a pocket here. Okay, for folio number 3, since we increased the spine, you know, just like we did for the North Pole folio, we increased the spine. So guess what? I increased the amount for this one too. Okay, that's the 4 folios. Let me grab the box. Just a second. Here is the box with all the folios. This has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. I got 13 in here. But you can put all 12 folios in here. So we'll put this one. And we'll put this one over here. But there's the box. And we're not done decorating. We're still working on it on my Facebook. We're going to decorate it. But there's the box. So you will learn how to make the box too. If you purchase a tutorial right now for $12, I am putting the Facebook live classes in there so you can learn how to make this box too. Okay? And the box, I would teach you guys how to do it, but it is so hard to teach on a, you know, on a live here, you know. It's hard to show where I'm sticking stuff when, you know, making a box. So I would just put the Facebook live classes in there. But yeah, this box holds all 12 of your folios. All 12 of them. It's made out of chipboard too. Okay? It's made out of chipboard. When we get it all decorated, I will show you what the decorated box looks like. Okay? And all 12 folios are just a little bit different. I'll give you just a real... Okay, here's one right here. I don't know which one it is. It's folio 10. And there is 2 matchbox style folios that flip this way. Okay, there is 2 of them. Number 11 and number 12 are matchbox style folios. So here you have a pocket. This flips up, that opens up. And then this flips. Then you have this pocket here, slanted pocket. Then you have a flip. And then the same thing on the back side. You have a pocket that holds everything nice and tidy. Oops. And then those hold. That's just a preview. That's number 10. And number 6 is kind of like it. But yeah. So if you would like to learn how to make the 4, let me know in the comments. And if I have enough of you that would like to learn folios 1, 2, 3, and 4, I would be glad to come on here and teach you guys, just like I did my Facebook people. Okay, you can go to my website, scrappinitup.com. I'll put the link down below where you can go purchase this for $12. You get all 12 and the box. Okay, and the box will be my Facebook live classes. Okay, so you can go pick this up. Yeah, even if you just want to make just the 4 and you want to pick it up and have the tutorial beside you with the cutting guide, because it does include the cutting guide for all 12, the written instructions for all 12, all right, and the box, all right. So I hope you guys will want to learn how to make these, or you just want to go grab the tutorial and do it on your own. You can, because it even has the process videos in there for you how to construct these. You don't need my instructions, but if you would like for me to come live and teach you 4 of them, I will do that. Okay, and so just let me know in the comments below, and we'll go from there. All right, all right. As always, keep scrapping, and thanks for watching and supporting my channel, and we'll talk to you guys later. Bye bye.